Warming Trends Crossfire burners are the pinnacle of burner technology, delivering a flame that's fuller, taller, and more natural looking than anything else on the market. Engineered for both performance and efficiency, these burners use patented Venturi Jet Technology to create a precise air-to-gas ratio at the point of combustion. This generates a high-velocity, supercharged flame that produces more heat with less gas, maximizing fuel efficiency and reducing consumption, especially for propane tank users. Each Crossfire burner is made from solid brass, a material that resists corrosion and is built to last. With precision craftsmanship and a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, these burners are proudly made in the USA, offering long-term durability and making them an environmentally sustainable choice. Thanks to the patent-pending water stop fitting, Crossfire burners protect optional electronic ignition systems and valve components from water and debris while maintaining outstanding flame performance. The water stop also keeps the gas supply line dry and allows the burner to self-purge any water from the manifold when lit, ensuring reliable operation in any weather, rain or shine. With all these benefits, the choice was clear. Warming Trends Crossfire burners were the only option to pair with our premium concrete fire features. Together, they provide an exceptional fire experience that combines beauty, performance, durability, and sustainability, creating a centerpiece you can enjoy for a lifetime.